important for us. It provides us all kind of information like sports, politics, fun, industry, comics and TV. We can use old newspaper in many ways. As you can see, I have one dress made up of old newspaper. It is a skirt and a top. I have a bracelet, earrings, belt and a hairband. I have a photo frame from newspaper like this. Thank you.